How to download Instagram videos to your phone. Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to download Instagram videos to your phone. This method will work on both iOS and Android, so just follow my steps. First thing first, please make sure your Instagram app is updated. Now open the Instagram app on your phone. Find the video that you would like to download. For demonstration purpose, I will select a random video. Alright, for me I will use this Real Madrid video. Tap on the video. Now you will see icons for like, comment and share. Tap on the share icon. Now simply tap on the download icon. Wait a few seconds for the video to download. The time will vary depending on the video size and duration, Now close the Instagram app. Open the gallery on your phone. Here it is. This is the easiest method to download any video from Instagram to your phone's gallery. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.